With ToDoT, it's easy to lay out many drawings on a single PDF file. Projects typically include many independent DWG files, which represent different elements of the project. In many cases, it is convenient to have a single file, a multi-page PDF file with all the necessary drawings and diagrams. With ToDoT in book mode, you can automatically paginate all drawings. The procedure is very simple. After selecting the drawings, 2 clicks, and we find the PDF with everything we need and easier to share. The layout of the book starts immediately after selecting the drawings and clicking on Create PDF. And here we see the PDF created automatically with all the drawings selected from the project. Would you like to know more? Contact us for more information.